traditional supply chain tracking methods get lack of transparency and also lack of trust. So we need a trustable supply chain throughout the entire process. So if we use blockchain with IoT technology, this ensures the trust and also the data tracking over the product from one end to other end. Let us discuss.
So hello everyone, I am Tani. I am going to speak about the empathy part. Empathy is nothing but the first stage in design thinking, and empathy is nothing but about the analyzing the needs, problems of the people. In this fast-moving world, people face a serious issue like they lack trust and transparency in supply chains. For example, a farmer works hard and cultivates vegetables in his farmyard. When he takes the vegetables to the market, people just doubt him and think that the vegetables really organic or not. These type of issues cause confusion, confusion and trust among the products and the farmer. Like this, we can do this issue by using design thinking. We can create a blockchain-enabled supply chain tracking system which can help to overcome these issues.
Very good. You have well said about the empathy part of this supply chain tracking system, which is using blockchain and IoT enabled. So empathy is very important in design thinking because we can understand the user need. If we understand the user need, only the innovation becomes worth and it must be useful to everyone. So now we are going to see the next part, define part. Any one of you give the define part after this empathy?
So here we are going to design about a very secure and a very real-time tracking system that shows a very trust and transparency from the process of manufacturing to giving to the consumer using digital technologies. So I am going to talk about the defined constraints. So here the main defined constraints are said to be the first one, the real-time tracking system with multiple locations and making it more simple and easy for the non-technical stakeholders and reducing the data tampering and the fraud and making it more low operational cost for the users.
So after defining part, the ideal, next we go for ideal part. This defining is very important to understand the core problem from the empathy. So next any one of you say the ideal part, what are the possible solutions can be?
Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about the ideal part. So our idea is to develop the blockchain-based supply chain system integrated with IoT sensors for real-time tracking and transparency. So IoT tags always record the data such as location, temperature and time at every stage. But when it comes to blockchain, it doesn't record but it stores all the information and does not allow anything to alter. So when it comes to smart contracts, it automatically validates the shipping and the delivery milestones. So each stakeholders just have the secure access to their relevant data alone. So for example, when it comes to vaccine shipment, every stage from the manufacturing till the delivery process, each process is recorded and then verified, where the consumers can scan the QR code and see the whole process with the trusted journey of the product.
Yes, next to the prototype.
Hello all, I am going to talk about the prototype. In prototype we have the edge layers. Edge layers means IoT devices and pallets and products which transmits the data. And also about the network layer. In the network layer we use gateway network which ensures the low battery storage. And about the called blockchain layer. In the blockchain layer we have the permissioned blockchain which stores the supply chains in the blocks. And also we have a prototype of security which have an encryptment and mutable transaction. And also we have application layer. In that application layer we have mobile apps for users. And also we have dashboards for manufacturers.
Okay, testing part.
Here I am going to talk about the testing part, which is the last stage of the design thinking. So our main objective is to ensure the transparency, trust and security of the product, supply chain using blockchain and IoT technologies. We validate our system through traceability, real-time visibility of the product journey, and trust and efficiency assumed through the immutable blockchain records gives confidence among the stakeholders, and efficiency using the efficiency which is state our system through the data update latency, error rate, and the customer trust service.
Thank you, dear students. You have well contributed to this design thinking approach of supply chain using blockchain and IoT technology. And we are using design thinking is a mindset. It is not a technique only. It is a mindset of making a good innovation. And because it starts from empathy, and empathy is very important to achieve a successful product. And we can use design thinking in our day-to-day life also in each and every problem. Then only we can solve that problem very easily. And design thinking is a non-linear process from which step to which we can go from any step to another step very easily. So thank you so much for your contribution.